This is the definitive guide to resolving Syncler App sound and audio distortions. Having personally experienced these frustrating audio interruptions and meticulously testing numerous approaches, I have pinpointed several effective methods that I will now share with you to achieve pristine audio playback. Our first method focuses on internal Syncler App adjustments, beginning with clearing the application's cache to remove temporary, corrupted files that can interfere with audio processing. This addresses potential data buildup. Next, we scrutinize Syncler App's audio output settings, ensuring the correct device is selected and volume levels are appropriate, targeting incorrect configurations. A device restart often resolves temporary system glitches affecting audio streams. Updating the Syncler app to its latest version can integrate crucial bug fixes for audio rendering. Method 2 delves into system-level audio drivers, which are the software interfaces between your operating system and audio hardware. Outdated or corrupt drivers are a primary cause of distortion. Verifying and updating these drivers ensures proper communication. Disabling audio enhancements, which are often software-based effects that can unintentionally degrade sound quality, is also critical. Method 3 involves testing under different network conditions and media, as network instability or specific media file encoding can cause playback errors, and isolating these variables helps pinpoint the root cause. Method 4 addresses Syncler app permissions and potential software conflicts, ensuring the app has necessary access and that no other running programs are interfering with its audio output.
Preview.